Hey guys, Steve with SBL Games. Just showing you real quick how I go about removing the HDMI port. So what I've already done is I put low melt along all the pins there, with some flux of course. And then I flipped the board over once I got all 19 pins nice and coated with low melt. And then I went ahead and put flux and low melt on the 4 post holes. I've already did it in advance to save us time, but you basically work these sides in. I do 2 posts at a time. A lot of times it'll make like a clunk, like a click or a clunk. You'll know that the port is ready to drop out. So like I said, I already did that to save us some time. I'm just going to go ahead and remove it because I've had people on Reddit, they're like, how do you do it without the heat gun? I'm like, low melt? And there you go. So that's how you remove an HDMI port with just low melt, no rework station. Steve with SBL Games signing out. Thanks for watching.